indirectly what we're doing, we're sabotaging our own lives because we compare. Social media, the harm that it does to us is going to become more evident, right? The sadness is that everybody knows about it. For example, Instagram, not very long ago, there were information that Facebook knew about the side effect and the harm of their algorithm on teenagers, especially young girls. It created the image issues for them. This has nothing to do with religion. Even from their own standard, is creating problems for them. And they had data. They knew about it. And what they did? Concealed it, hid it. Later on, it came out. So these big corporations that we take their services, they don't have our best interest in heart. They do not have it. And we're putting the fate of our marriage in their hand, our mental health in their hand, our Iman in their hand. And it's a simple decision. My advice is social media, use it as official as possible. Take the personal out of it. You did something good, keep it to yourself and your family. You went for a vacation, keep it to yourself. You had a beautiful birthday, keep it to yourself. I know that many of us say, no, if somebody really, our friend, they're going to be happy with our happiness. Please. Please. If there is a small chance that I put somebody else's life in jeopardy, why should I do it? If there's even one small percentage that I could be responsible for someone, but now they have a fight because of what I did. Maybe they don't have that money, that kind of money to buy that kind of gift. How we know? And it's easy. If we don't do it, nothing happens. I promise you, try it. You know, many of these corporations, what they do themselves, they do detox retreats. So, okay, let's all employee, let's go. The one that we make apps for others, let's put your phone aside, let's go to a retreat. Let's keep it the space and distance between you and them. I was actually watching this documentary. The one who made this infinite scroll on Instagram, he said, I feel very guilty because how much time I'm wasting from people. Because before this, you could get to the end of your feed and whatever it was, right? The majority of my social media information comes from watching documentaries about them, not that I'm a pro user, unfortunately. Said I was the one who suggested infinite, meaning that they're going to consume. There's no way they come to an end. I'm done. I read everything. It's going to just go. I'm working with it. I feel guilty about making that feature. Because I know how much time it wastes, what it does to people's mental health. Because we're meant for it to see something, right? We ask Allah, inshallah, to take advantage of the wisdom of the Rasulullah. To be among those to live hayata tayyiba, a good life. A life that we can live without unnecessary fears, without stresses that are unnecessary, without self-inflicting problems. Sometimes we're self-inflicting ourselves. And my piece of advice is, please reconsider how you use social media for your own sake, for your own sanity. Reconsider it. Change the way you use it.